Bolic, but definitely handpicked ni Coach Norman Black to be the premier guard dito sa ating national team.
And our team, Gilas, Matthew Wright. They go into Aram. Soft double team, he turns, and he swishes that jumper from the side. National experience na yan, but this is different. Oh, there's an interception, and this is going to be an easy layup para win. He's their tallest player at 6'8". Dirker on the break, swishes a three, and gives his team a team.
Since 2019 at least.
Here's Dalf Panopio. He misses, pero andun si Boy Aram to clean that up. Missing a three-pointer there. Here come the Philippines. Chance to grab the lead back sa sequence na ito. And there it is! Jamie Malonzo slams it home. Here's nakaagaw ang Pilipinas. Lead pass way ahead to Ray Ray. That's an easy lay-in para kay
At least 3 positions and defend all those positions as well with ease.
Maganda ng atake. Itong si Justin. Oh, no one near him sa kanyang mga kakampi. He takes it anyway, misses. But then there's Dirker. Offensive. They swing it around. Von Casomales in the game as well, but it's 30 Ravenna now. The mid-range. Jumper is good for 30.
Super strong.
Wants to play for the national team. Another three hoisted up by Vietnam. And you know, if you let them take it, that... Here come the red shirts, a chance to regain the lead. Mr. Wiggle ang tawag sa kanya. He was wiggling his way to the basket. There.
And a turnover.
Hindi na naipasok. Ayun na, on the second effort, si Huyn.
Alam mo ng bantayan. Somebody's open.
He's gonna get his first 2 points in this game. Here he goes again. They kick to the corner. Nice setup for the big man. And he puts that one in. Knocking.
Hatak yung mga helpers natin para malibre yung mga bigs na tumatama mula sa labas. Biggest lead. Pagkatapos ng first 20 minutes ng 42-26.
So that's a welcome basket from the corner of 3. 30 Ravenna puts that one in. But binawi naman agad ng Vietnam.
Matchup.
Tamang-tama ipinasok ang veteranong si Aram. He's doing well so far. But look at that. Another inside incursion and they're getting Aram. Good defense. Here comes the Philippines. Matthew Wright will stop and pop from 3. That's how you do it.
Oh yeah.
Diskarte.
Laban sa change-up defense ng Pilipinas. Oh wow.
But here it is again, no? Tran now handling it. Down to 7 seconds under shot clock. He'll try again. And he'll make it again. And that's an 11-point. The pass goes to the big man. Nguyen on the run. Elegant shot. Ala Ramon Fernandez.
Sa opensa dito sa mga natitirang minuto and a good second quarter finish.
Dalf Panopio hitting that 3.
Kahit paano, ayan na naman, atake.
At yung nawala sa kanyang bola, it ends up with Manzano running with him. Instead he goes to Chua. To the side, Matthew Wright. Releasing from 3 and connecting. Panopio sets up Chua. The fake, the drive, and the layup for Justin Chua.
9 straight points.
Berto Bolic with the possession. Kicks it out. Matthew Wright, another 3 on the way. Let's go!
Wow.
Matthew will try again. This one is way short. Pero andun sa ilalim. The man we were
open.
Kicks it to the cutter. That's a finger roll mula kay JP. Balls on the floor. Nakuha na ng mga nakaputi. Parks up ahead. Easy layup for Matthew Wright.
And easily Matthew Wright at the 3. So, halos 6 na minuto na scoreless spell para dito sa Vietnam from the field. Oh.
Yan na, the outside shot from... Will not convert. Ray Parks is there. Outside to Bolic. He'll take a 3 instead. That goes! Napakanda pa. Bigan ng ball. It's on the floor. Trent picks it up. Got some white shirts in front of him. He'll attack. And the layup para sa kanya. But it's just a 3-point lead. Precarious to say the least, and now it's down to just 1.
Wow, strong side.
Malonzo could have been in trouble, and they are saying that. At sa pool na ating laro, ito na. Berto, some contact, dropping it to Aram. And he finishes strong, looking for a foul. Right inside, lost it. Parks will take a 3 instead. That's short. Malonzo will power up for the putback. Here, Dirker will drive, drop it over. Nguyen inside. And the big guy, Nguyen, gets an inside. Pilipinas, good rebounding. Oh, look at that. What a play. Ravenna's going to check in at the next dead ball. In the meantime, napunta na naman kay Nguyen. And this man is oozing with... The strategy ni Coach Matt Van Pelt has been working. The kick out the 3-point land. Matthew Wright ties it up. Philippines is in a fight right now contra sa Vietnam. The drive. He puts it up. Halos back to the basket. Manopio setting the table. Goes behind his back. Tries to drive. Puts it up. And he gets it to go. Bolick kept it alive outside the Parks. 10 seconds to shoot. Bolick releases from 3. That's good! Stay away from that.
Yes.
Bolick. The 3. Good!
There you go.
For Berto Bolick. Poy Aram setting the screens. They go back to Poy. He's thinking about it. He'll take it. And he will make a 3 for the top. Nice up fake. Jumper mid-range. Matthew Wright bitin. Malone's on the board.
That's a big
Putback
one.
is good. And Jamie's been lose it momentarily. He's able to recover. Good hands. Win from 3.
No.
Nakapasok pa ng isa yung big man. Ba si coach? Hindi na, okay na yan. So Philippines survives. I'll say survives. Vietnam 78-67.